Hello, this is Stephanie, one of the Medical STEM Program TAs. This video will walk you through the second lesson in the Pulmonology Unit, lung sounds. Start the class by reviewing the topics you covered in your previous lesson, lung models. Ask the students to remind you what pulmonology is and how your respiratory system works. If they are having trouble remembering the words from last lesson, remind them of the definitions and potentially have the students inhale and exhale with you to demonstrate. Once you're confident they are comfortable with the words in the previous lesson, you're ready to start the lung sounds lesson. Here are the new vocabulary words you will be going over. I would recommend asking your students to define the words and using their answers to drive your discussion to encourage the students to be engaged and ask questions. I've included a picture of the vocabulary page in the science journal that they will fill out while you discuss the new terms. Once your class is comfortable with the new words, have them move to the rug while you read the book, Look Inside, Your Heart and Lungs. Once you're done reading the book, explain the activity to the class. They will be acting as pulmonologists and using stethoscopes to listen to different lung sounds. It will be their job to figure out if their patients are sick. Make sure to get them excited about acting as doctors. If you're excited about it, they will be too. Start by demonstrating how to use the stethoscopes before you pass out any of the materials. After the students understand how to use the stethoscope and that they need to disinfect the earpieces with wipes when they trade places, pass out the cardboard patient models, stethoscopes, and worksheets. This is the recording device. Turn it on and set the volume to 8 using these circled buttons. You will then place the device into the cardboard patient model shown here. The students will take turns listening to a set of recorded lung sounds. The kids will be listening to different recordings and using these worksheets to record observations about each of them. Here are some examples of what the students could write on the worksheet for vesicular, crackles, and wheezing lung sounds. Here are some examples of the worksheet answers for the remaining lung sounds. After the students have had a chance to listen to all the different lung sounds, discuss them as a class. Ask the students to share some of the observations they wrote for each of the 6 different sounds. Finally, ask the students which of the lung sounds would belong to a healthy person and which might belong to someone with lung cancer.